Have you wondered how the software engineering landscape has changed now since AI tools and vibe engineering techniques have become so powerful?
To answer this question, we wrote a book. The initial idea was that it should be the successor to Software Mistakes and Trade-offs, books that Tomasz wrote with John Skid at the time when the AI tools we have today were still the science fiction.
I can't believe it was only 5 years ago. Unsurprisingly, the scope of the book evolved and we added best practices with many practical guidelines for vibe engineering techniques, such as using MCP tools, managing context, and handling mass refactoring.
That's why in our new book, we explore whether AI-augmented programming can address the mistakes discussed in the first book, and whether AI is aware of the trade-offs inherent to software development.
Spoiler, it turns out that engineers are still needed. AI tools are prone to the same mistakes and trade-offs as we are. Being aware of them is crucial.
The risk of developing such techniques is that they may become too tightly coupled with specific AI vendor.
For that reason, our approach in this book was to capture all the techniques in AI provider agnostic best practices, guidelines designed to protect readers from common pitfalls.
You will find practical examples put into practice with the usage of tools such as Gemini, OpenAI, Cursor ID, or Google Anti-Gravity. In our book, you will find chapters on how to work with AI with team setup, managing costs, and handling challenges inherent to being more of a reviewer and manager than a coder. Also, you will be exposed to trade-offs coming with those new techniques and all the things that can negatively impact the long-run health of your code base.
You'll also find practical end-to-end chapters focused on solving concrete problems using vibe engineering. For example, we'll explore how to migrate large code bases to new technologies using AI engineering. We'll introduce a framework that offers a step-by-step guide for migrating code bases of any size. Another chapter will compare human-driven and AI-driven approaches to performance engineering. We'll aim to achieve the same performance goals in two ways. First, using traditional methods without AI, and second, relying on AI tools instead of deep human performance engineering expertise. The comparison will reveal where each approach excels and where it falls short. We'll encourage you to read the book as we believe that the knowledge you can gain from it will boost your productivity in your day-to-day job.
We are sure that they will also raise your awareness about the AI usage and learn how you can use new techniques to improve the way you work as well as the whole development process in your company.